What's up, girl? We've all seen celebrities like Jennifer Aniston and Jennifer Lopez who are currently in their 50s, and it looks like they are way younger than that. Sis, I saw the latest picture of Jennifer Aniston and I was shocked. That woman looks incredibly good. Now, not everybody is getting Botox, fillers, and all about those things. Most people are not. What they do is called skin rejuvenation. And skin rejuvenation is the act of restoring the skin's natural vigor, youthfulness, and brightness. That is the entire process that they follow. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 kits for each skin type. And if you fall under any of these skin types, I would advise you to buy this product if you want to truly unlock your skin's natural youthfulness, brightness, and of course vigor. Sis, in case you're not subscribed, I promise you today's video is going to step up your entire skincare game. Let's begin. Our agenda for today is, first of all, we are going to discuss skin rejuvenation and your skin. Secondly, normal skin kit. Third, oily skin kit. Fourth, dry skin kit. All on a priced budget, because I know you guys always emphasize that fact. And then lastly, because I love you guys so much, I also included moisturizers recommendation that I have for you. So you want to stick around to the very end, because that is when I'll be talking about face creams and face moisturizers and the like. All right, so the first segment is this: skin rejuvenation and how it affects your skin. Now, whether you're in your late 20s, early 20s, or you're in your mid 40s, you're approaching your 50s, everybody wants to continue to look young. I think the worst compliments that you can get as a woman is for somebody to walk up to you and tell you, sis, you're looking really stressed and you're looking older than your age. That compliment will naturally just make you start rethinking a lot of things about your life. Now, what are some of the common things that stops your skin from looking youthful, beautiful, flawless, as in bright and naturally just radiant? First of all is acute stress. Some of you are subjecting yourself to emotional, mental, as in physical stress. You need to get yourself out of that toxic relationship, because right now it is beginning to even affect your skin. Secondly would be a very terrible poor sleeping pattern. You sleep 4 hours today, 3 hours tomorrow, next tomorrow 5 hours. You never ever get up to 7 to 8 hours of sleep. There is no way your skin is going to be looking youthful, rejuvenated, and restored. It's impossible. Third would be your nutrition is bad and trashy. Fourth would be bad skincare practices. Sis, you need to stop poking, picking, and popping that pimple, because it is turning into dark spots that is gradually making your skin look older than you actually are. And then lastly would be that you are using the wrong skincare product that is too harsh or not even working at all for your complexion, for your skin, and whatever. So those are some of the factors that can stop your skin from looking rejuvenated, restored, and youthful. Now, what are some of the common things that you can do in order to rejuvenate and restore your skin's natural youthfulness? First will be, you need to start eating properly. Sis, if you can't afford expensive skincare, that means you can't be taking soda, junk, and all those things. Stop buying all those things, because it is not good for your skin at all. Second would be, you need to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. 7 to 8 hours uninterrupted. Turn off your phone on time, shut your eyes on time, so that you can wake up fully rested and your skin can feel relaxed and youthful. Third will be topical products, which is what today's video is going to cover. You are not stressed at work, you are not stressed emotionally, you are not stressed in your relationship, and you are also not going through anything that can subject your body to physical stress. Lastly will be to take supplements and to partake in upgraded dermatology treatments. I know Kim Kardashian has mentioned it in some of our videos and our interviews before, that she has an esthetician that is on standby, that is constantly giving her fillers, a little bit of preventive Botox on her forehead to stop it from wrinkling, and then lastly she does something called laser skin resurfacing. But if you don't have the money for all of that, that's why I'm here to give you skincare products that you can apply on your face. And I've also mentioned products and practices that you can partake in if you can't afford the dermatology upgraded treatments and stuff. So for all the skin type kits that I'll be mentioning today, we are following a formula, and that is cleanse plus tone plus treatment, all on a budget. Since you don't know what God has done for you because your skin type is the best, That means your skin type means you are not so oily, you are not so dry, your skin is normal. Now, the aim is this: you don't want to add more grease, you also don't want your skin to become very, very dry and dehydrated. So, in order to ensure that, your cleanser has to be something in the middle. Now, when I'm talking about normal skin, I'm working with the assumption that since you don't have acne on your face just flaring up without gumption, sis, wait till I talk about oily skin so that we can talk about acne flare-ups and stuff. We are working with the fact that you don't have acne flare-ups. All you have within the month towards your period is occasional pimple, just a tiny one on your forehead and a tiny one here. That is the purpose of this kit. So for cleanser, I would highly advise that you get the CeraVe Smoothing Cleanser. This one here with salicylic acid for occasional flare-ups and bumps. It has hyaluronic acid for hydration, and then it has 3 essential ceramides that would help to cushion up your skin's moisture barrier. You are not going to have youthful skin if all you are using is a dehydrating cleanser. Every time you cleanse, your skin is always dry and starved of moisture. Sis, with the new technology of cleansers that we have out there, especially if you're normal skin, sis, if you're even combination, you can absolutely use this cleanser. I know I have tried the CeraVe Smoothing Cleanser before, and it is one of the best cleansers that has come out from that particular brand. It is very, very soothing on the skin. Your skin is going to feel clean but not dry. Your skin is going to feel clean but not starved of moisture. And by the time you're going with the next step, sis, your skin is going to even feel better. So now for toner or essence, I would highly recommend that you get the Beauty of Jason Ginseng Water. Sis, if you don't know, Korean skincare has come to stay. And if you really want to unlock that youthful glow, that skin rejuvenation, that natural brightness, that effortless radiance, that glass skin effect that people can see the reflection of the sun on your forehead, you gotta get on the Korean skincare grind. That is where it is at. And you're going to use the Beauty of Jason Ginseng Water. Ginseng is very, very rich in vitamin C, and I've hammered here over and over again, but vitamin C is going to stimulate collagen production, help your skin to retain its natural youthfulness and bounce. If your skin is constantly looking dry and chapped, your skin is lacking in vitamin C. So ginseng has a lot of vitamin C. This particular toner is alcohol-free, oil-free, pocket-friendly, very affordable, in my opinion, mid-budget, very affordable, and of course, helps to reduce your skin's pore size. Now for your treatment serum, we are going to be using the Balance Active Serum in vitamin C with up to 2% L-ascorbic acid vitamin C and of course hyaluronic acid. This serum is budget friendly, absolutely wonderful. The reason why I'm asking you guys to get the Balance Active Formula Vitamin C is because it is boldly written on it that it is going to enhance your skin's natural glow and radiance, and that is because of the presence of the 2% vitamin C it has in the form of L-ascorbic acid. If you don't know what L-ascorbic acid is, it is one of the most potent vitamin C derivatives in the entire world. So sis, trust me, Balance did a good thing with this particular vitamin C serum. Let's jump quickly into oily skin kits. Now let me just mention here that if your skin is oily, the tendency that it is going to become acne prone is very, very high. There is also a good thing with the girls that have oily skin. That means that your skin is going to stay youthful because of the presence of the natural oils it has on its own. It's a thin line between trying to maintain that and of course your skin stepping into that place where it just becomes terrible when it comes to acne. You have acne flare-ups month in, month out, and you're constantly trying to get rid of spots and all the likes you get. So you really don't want to be there. You want to just maintain your skin's natural shine that it has. And that is for my oily skin type girlies. Okay, so now that I've mentioned that, let's talk about the cleanser that is absolutely right for you. I don't know if you've heard of the Cosrx Daily Salicylic Acid Cleanser, but sis, I tried it, I sampled it, I love this cleanser. Apart from the fact that it has salicylic acid, it also has willowbark extract that is very, very good. It has a little bit of antibacterial properties that will get rid of bacteria that might want to trigger acne on your oily skin type. Sis, listen to me. If your skin is oily, the tendency that it is going to be acne prone is very, very high. So you want something that has a little bit of salicylic acid, and a little bit of antibacterial properties that will get rid of free radicals, dirt, and germs from the surface of your skin, and that would also not strip your skin of moisture. That's a thin line of moisture, because some cleansers are out there, they will clean your skin so much that, see, your oily skin is going to be dehydrated by the time you are done with your entire cleansing, and you don't want that. The Cosrx Salicylic Acid Daily Gentle Cleanser, in my opinion, is one of the best that I've tried. I highly recommend it for my oily skin girlies. You would absolutely love it. Now, for your toner, the Eccentric Green Tea Fresh Toner is the best for oily skin that I have researched. People on TikTok confirmed it. It's not just me. I'm not just coming here to give you assumptions, because of the presence of the ingredients that it has. This toner is alcohol-free, it is oil-free, it is fast absorbing. Green tea has a way of just packing your skin with a lot of antioxidants that will stop free radicals from sitting on the surface of your skin and triggering acne. Also, green tea is very good because it has antioxidants that also strengthens your skin's natural moisture barrier, and of course helps your skin to stay youthful. You want to use something that, first of all, your target, if your skin is oily, is to make sure you don't have breakouts month in, month out, okay? And you also want to make sure that you're conditioning and keeping that oil at bay. And then lastly, you also want to make sure that you are getting a lot of antioxidants that preserve your skin's natural youthfulness. If your skin is dry, you want to use something that is adding a lot of hydration to your skin, because naturally on its own, your skin gets easily dehydrated and starved of moisture and essential oils, ceramides, and lipids. You want to make sure that you are getting all of that in your entire skincare routine. And that means, first of all, you need to keep what your skin already has by using a cleanser that is hydrating, jelly-like, does not foam too much. You guys know that a lot of foaming cleansers starve the skin of moisture. I'm telling you now, in case you don't know, it does. Now, so that's what you're going to do. You're going to get the Bioma Jelly Cleanser. I've sampled this cleanser before. It has ceramide, licorice root, and a lot of hydrating ingredients. If your skin is dry, the tendency that you don't even have acne is very high, because acne needs a lot of grease and shine and oil in order to continue to spread on the skin. So if your skin is dry, all you want is to add back moisture that will boost up your skin's natural youthfulness and of course encourage radiance. Your skin is not going to glow if it is starved of moisture. Confirm. That is a guarantee, okay? So the Bioma Jelly Cleanser with ceramides, licorice root is very good. It foams a little bit. By the time you wash your face off, you would like how it feels after cleansing. Now, for essence or toner kind of formula, I have the Pyongyang. Oh Lord, I'm sorry, I have hammered that name. Pyongyang Pyongyang Serum. This is a Korean serum. It has a glassy, dewy-like finish. It is highly hydrating. Sis, it is highly hydrating. So if your skin is not dry, please do not get this serum. Highly hydrating, has a dewy, glassy-like feeling on the skin. I heard it is also a bit tacky. I've not tried it before. It is a bit tacky and it has a very dewy feel on the skin, okay? Vitamin B5 is a very strong antioxidant that has great anti-aging properties. So when you combine that with hyaluronic acid that helps your skin to stay hydrated, sis, for my dry skin queens, you're going to love this combination. Let me repeat myself. Vitamin B5 has beautiful antioxidant properties that has great anti-aging benefits on the skin. When you now combine it with 2% hyaluronic acid, I'm not sure now, yes, 2% hyaluronic acid, your skin is going to be getting anti-aging benefits and a lot of hydration. So for my dry skin queens, you will use the Bioma Jelly Cleanser, the Pyongyang Serum, essence, and you're also going to use the ordinary hyaluronic acid 2% plus vitamin B5. So those are the kits that I have for you guys. But can we use all this without using a very good moisturizer? No, because the icing on the cake, if you want your skin to retain all the goodness that you have stacked up in your skincare routine, you need to add that extra layer of moisturization to lock up all the juices that you have applied on your skin. And this is where moisturizers come into play. Moisturizers are different from face creams because moisturizers are mostly water-based. A face cream has more oil than water. A moisturizer has more water than oil. I encourage you to use a moisturizer regardless of your skin type because moisturizers tend to have more hydrating ingredients. For your skin to look youthful, you need hydration, not oil. I said what I said. I have raved about this in the past, and I remember the last time I posted the review of this moisturizer, the entire Instagram, everybody ate it. They loved the review, and that is the simple, lightweight daily moisturizing cream with pantothenic acid, vitamin E, and up to 12 hours hydration. So sis, if you're on a budget and you want something that is pocket friendly, the simple hydrating lightweight moisturizer is good for you. You can use it whether you're normal, oily or dry. It is very good. Moisturizers don't trigger acne flare-ups and stuff. All they have is just hydrating ingredients inside it, but you need it. Sis, I don't want to hear because I'm oily I don't use face moisturizers. Sis, that's archaic knowledge. Throw that in the garbage and start adding moisturizers to your skincare routine because it is going to help your skin to look very youthful. It's going to restore your skin's natural vigor and of course that firmness that you want your skin to have. The second one is an high-end option, and that is the Health ELF Only Hydration Peptide Hyaluronic Acid and all the good stuff face moisturizer. I've used it before. I absolutely love this moisturizer. If your skin is oily, however, I would ask you to use the simple one instead of this one because this one is very shiny. It has, I don't want to say grease. It is not grease. It has a lot of hydrating ingredients that if your skin is oily, you might feel like you're adding more shine to your skin. So the simple is a better option if your skin is oily. But for my normal and dry skin girlies, the ELF Only Peptide Hydration Cream, very good. Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching this video to the end. Please make sure you comment down below what you think about what we talked about today, and of course suggest more video topics that you want me to cover on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. I'll be loving the blue dress. It's giving what it is supposed to give. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.